Chapter 1: Computer Memory and Storage Devices. Computer memory. Every day you come across so many things in your school as well as at home. You perform different activities in your school. During your exams, you have to learn a lot many things and remember them. Have you ever wondered how you remember so many things? This is possible because whatever you do or learn gets stored in your brain's memory. Memory is the ability to take in information, store it, and recall it later. A computer memory is just like a human brain. It is used to store data and instructions. Computer memory is the storage space in computer where the data is processed and the instructions required for processing are stored until they are deleted. Memory unit. Computer is an electronic machine. Unlike us, it does not understand English language. It only understands binary language. Binary just means something that has two states. It consists of two characters, zeros and ones. Computer can understand only two states, that is, on represented by 1 and off represented by 0. In fact, binary is the only way computers can really understand information. So, everything they do is translated into machine language. A machine language consists of binary numbers. Computer use numbers for just about everything. Even when it does not seem to be a number, it is. When you type a letter on a computer, it actually has a numerical value. Fact bit. Two symbols used to represent two states, that is on and off, are 0 and 1. These are known as bits, an abbreviation for binary digits. Memory unit is the amount of data that can be stored in a storage unit. The computer memory is expressed in bits. A bit is a single digit that can either be 0 or 1. It is the basic unit used in computer data storage. Computers use these little bits, which are composed of ones and zeros, to do things and talk to other computers. This two-number system is called a binary number system, since it has only two numbers in it. Computer storage units. Unit, abbreviation, storage. 1 nibble, 4 bits. 1 byte, B. 8 bits. 1 kilobyte, KB, 1024 bytes. 1 megabyte, MB, 1024 kilobytes. 1 gigabyte, GB, 1024 megabytes. 1 terabyte, TB, 1024 gigabytes. 1 petabyte, PB, 1024 terabytes. 1 exabyte, EB, 1024 petabytes. 1 zettabyte, ZB, 1024 exabytes. 1 yottabyte, YB, 1024 zettabytes. 1 brontobyte, BB, 1024 yottabytes. 1 geobyte, GPB, 1024 brontobytes. Types of computer memory. Computer's memory can be classified into two types: primary memory and secondary memory. Computer memory, primary memory, RAM, ROM. Secondary memory or external memory, hard disk, CD or DVD, pen drive, memory card. Primary memory. Primary memory is also known as main or internal memory. It holds only those data and instructions on which computer is currently working. It has limited capacity and data is lost when power or computer is switched off. Primary memory is of two types. RAM, random access memory. It stands for random access memory. RAM is known as read or writes memory. It generally referred to as main memory of the computer system. It is a temporary memory. The information stored in this memory is lost as the power supply to the computer is switched off. That is why RAM is also called volatile memory. Fact bit. Robert Dennard was the inventor of RAM. The device was patented in 1968. ROM, Read-Only Memory. It stands for Read-Only Memory. ROM is a permanent type memory. Its contents are not lost when power supply is switched off. The content of ROM is decided by the computer manufacturer and is permanently stored at the time of manufacturing. ROM cannot be overwritten by the computer. It also called non-volatile memory. RAM. RAM stands for Random Access Memory. It is volatile or temporary memory. Data gets erased when power supply is switched off. ROM. ROM stands for Read-Only Memory. It is non-volatile or permanent memory. Data stored permanently. Secondary memory. It is also known as external memory or non-volatile memory or auxiliary memory. It is slower than main memory. It is used for storing data or information permanently. For example, hard disk, CD, DVD, etc. Fact bit. Secondary memory is portable, that is, it can be easily carried or moved. It is not fixed. Commonly used secondary memory devices are hard disk. It is the main storage device. It lies inside the system unit CPU box. Hard disk is a device used for storing large quantity of data. It consists of one or more disks. Each disk is a thin, circular metal plate coated on both sides with a magnetic material. It is of two types. Internal hard disk. It is placed and connected inside the CPU box. External hard disk. It is present outside CPU box and connected with cables. Fact bit. The hard disk was invented on September 13, 1956 by IBM team led by Ray Johnson, considered as father of the disk drive. Compact disk CD. Compact disk CD is portable disk having data storage capacity between 650 to 700 MB. It can hold large amount of information such as music, full motion videos, text, etc. CDs can either read-only or read-write type. CD drivers that are placed inside the CPU box are required to read or write CDs. CD is of two types. CDR. The R stands for recordable. It is of recordable and write-once format. This type of disk can have data burnt to it once only. The data written on it cannot be erased. CD RW. The RW stands for rewritable. It is rewritable CD. This type of disk can have data added to it, and once the data is no longer required, it can be deleted and new data can be added to the disk. Digital video disc (DVD) is similar to a CD but has larger storage capacity and enormous clarity. Depending upon the disk type, it can store several gigabytes of data. DVDs are primarily used to store music or movies and can be played back on your television or the computer too. Like CD, DVD is also of two types, DVD-R and DVD-RW. Blu-ray disc (BRD). It is a new optical storage device. It is mainly used for storing high-quality sound, games, and movies data. It uses blue-violet laser to read and write data on it. It has highest storage capacity among all discs. Fact bit. DVD was invented and developed by Philips and Sony in 1995. Pen drive. Pen drive is a small, lightweight, removable storage device. It consists of a small, printed circuit board. It is very small in size and can be carried in a pocket or hand like a pen. It has high storage capacity and can transfer data at a very high speed. It is also called thumb drive or flash drive. It is available in various shapes and sizes. Memory card. A memory card or flash card is an electronic flash memory data storage device. It is used for storing digital information. These are commonly used in devices such as digital cameras, mobile phones, laptops, PlayStations, etc. Lesson sum up. A computer can understand only binary language. Binary number consists of two characters, zeros and ones. A bit is a single digit that can either be 0 or 1. Primary memory is of two parts, RAM and ROM. RAM is a volatile memory, whereas ROM is a non-volatile memory. Secondary memory is used for storing data or information permanently. Secondary memory is slower than primary memory. Secondary memory devices are hard disk, CD, DVD, pen drive, and memory card.